Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. This is part 5 of Revell Star Wars Millennium Falcon, scale 1 to 144. Now this is the limited edition Master Series kit. So part 5 is the final reveal. But as always, my thoughts and opinions over how much they're worth on the kit. Now, to start off with, this kit is extremely easy to put together. Anyone can build this kit. If you've never picked up a kit before, you can build this one easily enough. If you're an advanced or experienced builder, there's room to put lights in if you wish. Some areas will be a little bit challenging, particularly in the cockpit, but it is more than doable. I did think about doing it myself, but then I decided I didn't want to. I just wanted a quick build. So that's got quite a lot going for it. The major downside of this kit is Revell's own making, I'm afraid. Now, Revell's been guilty of this in the past. In fact, not long ago, I had a conversation about this with a couple of people online, through comments on the channel, as well as to some friends. Now, I believe this kit must be Revell's push or snap fit kit. Just the way it goes together. Each part is nicely designed just to push in without any cement. It screams to me snap fit kit, and there's nothing wrong with those kits. I quite enjoy doing some of them, but this is not what I paid for really. I paid for a limited edition Master Series kit, thinking I was going to get a highly detailed kit with all different components and a challenging build. This is not what this kit is. I think Revell has just taken their kit, slapped a different name on it, and charged accordingly. Now, if you watch the intro of this build, you'll know how much I paid for this kit. Because I'm one of these sad people who sees Star Wars and something, thinking I've got to have it because I'm a huge fan. I've been since the first movie came out when I was a kid. So I got sucker punched with this kit, and it won't be the first time. It wasn't the first time, and it certainly won't be the last time. But because of that, I could not, in all clear conscience, recommend this kit, even though it went together well. If you pick this kit up for 20 quid, yeah, go for it. If someone's selling it for full price, do not buy it. It is not worth it. This is a simple snap together kit that does not command the price that it was actually sold for. It's a ridiculous amount of money for a kit like this. But that's my own fault. I should have looked into it a bit more. As you've seen, Star Wars Millennium Falcon, Skill 5. Skill 5? Really? Scale 1, more like. There's not that many components to the kit at all. It took me 3 days to build. And that's in between me laying carpets in the house. That's how quick the build was. 3 days. Unbelievable. Skill 5, I do not think so. And skill 5 generally relates to the amount of parts in the kit. Not particularly if it's going to be a difficult kit to build. It's if there's so many different multiple tiny little parts for you to put together. And as I said, that's what I was looking forward to on this kit. But it just wasn't like that at all. It's perfect for a beginner, but not at the price point. And also, the kit itself is not particularly detailed. There's not enough detail in the cockpit for an expert builder to be happy with, really. Even though you can light it easily enough, you would either have to buy aftermarket parts for it or design something yourself to put in it if you're going to light it up. And an expert builder can do this, of course, but again, for the price, why should you have to? Very disappointed. But anyway, let's move aside from that. It is what it is. I done what I done, and I built the thing. So as I said, this is the final reveal. Haven't lit the kit up, as you saw in the build. So it's just going to be a small static build. And just for a bit of fun, I've placed it on top of my other Millennium Falcon that I built last year Was it last year? Yeah, last year. The 1-to-1 scale, just so you can see the different scales. So I hope you enjoy the build. So all that's left to say is, if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel and see if there's something there that you would like to watch. There's quite a few builds up there now, and maybe something there that will pique your interest. If you subscribe to the channel, and please do so, hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be kept up to date on all my up and coming builds. Hit the like button. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, and of course you can share the video. Let me know your thoughts on this kit though, because are you disappointed as me? You know, if you bought this kit, or maybe you bought this kit and you didn't realise what was inside, or you just don't care, you know, or you just want to have a good laugh at me for paying near £90 for something like this. But there you go. Anyway, I'm going off again. So as I said, it's final reveal, and I hope you enjoy it. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you on my next build. Bye for now.